Hey you all, thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I have a smartwatch I will be reviewing called the 3 Vibe Plus. I picked this up at Target for $49.99. But before I get into the review, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified so you'll know each and every time a new merch review drop. So let's get into the video. Okay, you all, so this is the 3 Vibe Plus smartwatch with built-in GPS and heart rate monitor. I got it in the black. So this is the front of the box. The side of the box, you get the 3 Plus logo. In the back of the box, more than just a smartwatch, you can track your steps, distance, calories, active minutes, and more. 24-hour continuous heart rate monitoring, track your sleep. Also has a built-in GPS, let you see the pace and distance and map of your route. You can receive and read all of your smartphone notifications on the phone. And it has 3 ATM water resistant. So it says make fitness your lifestyle with the 3 Plus app. Check your daily activities and workout history. Personalize your watch faces. Connect and compete with friends. Stay on top of your weight and water consumption goals. Free compatible app for Android and iOS. So on the other side of the box, there is nothing. There is a little flap here to open. And here is the watch. On the side here, you have smartwatch with built-in GPS heart rate monitor. Lightweight and comfortable. Goal-based exercises. Work with other popular apps. And if you want to read that, you can. I'm not going to read all that. And taking a look at the watch. So it looks like a nice watch so far from what I see. So let's go ahead and open this watch. Okay, so here's what you get inside. You get the charger. You get the instructions on how to use the watch. There's a 1-year limited warranty. And this is how to quick start or quick set up the watch. And here is the watch itself. Now, as you can see, there's a rubberized band here, and it's a really thick rubberized band. So it doesn't feel like a cheap band, which is good considering the price that I paid for smartwatch. I have a Samsung Galaxy smartwatch, the rose gold, that I actually did a video on. So if you haven't checked that out, link will be in the description below. Yeah, so this actually feels really nice. Like, it doesn't feel cheap. Okay. So you have, I believe, the power button. Yeah. So let me go ahead and power this up. Let's see if it has some juice and we can look into it. Okay, so I'm going to power this on here. And you have the logo, so we're going to pick English. You have to download the 3+ app to your phone from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Okay, so I just set up the app on the phone and paired this watch to the phone. So now we're going to do the quick tips. Okay, swipe down to see your notification center. Swipe up to see the quick settings. Swipe left or right to see the apps. And you can also customize your Vibe Plus in the 3+ app setting. All right, so here is the 3 Vibe Plus smartwatch. Easy to set up, easy to find the app in the App Store. I have an Android, so I use the Google Play Store to get the app. Okay, so hit the top button. You have the time, the date, and your battery life status. And they say you can scroll down. You don't have any notifications. Where you can get your text messaging notifications. I believe you can get Twitter and Facebook notifications. I will have to try that out and see. Okay, swipe up. Okay, you have your stopwatch, your timer, weather, tryouts, music, reminder, sleep and settings, activity, alarm, heart rate, and it tracks your breathing. Okay, let's go the other way. Okay, so it's just the same either way you go. So let's click on workout. Okay, so they have walking, running, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling. Okay, so it tracks all that, which is pretty decent for a watch of this price. Okay, activities. It tells you your distance, your steps, active minutes, and calories. All right, it scrolls up and gives you all that information. Okay, heart rate, measures your heart rate. Okay, and also the watch band can be swapped out, which is good. And you can also customize your watch faces, like your screensavers, I guess is what you call them, on the app. So that's also a good plus. So to me, this is really, if you don't want to go out and spend $100, $200, $300 for a Samsung or an Apple or even a Fitbit, this watch would be a great alternative to any of those, because this basically provides all the options that the other smartwatches offer. So if you don't want to spend that much money, I would say this would be a great option. So let's go ahead and see. I'm going to mess around with the app to see how I can get the watch faces customized. So I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the different watch faces that are available on the app, and there are plenty of them to pick from. So I'm going to pick this one, and then I'm going to hit save. Hit save, and then as you can see, it automatically changed on the watch. So hit save on this. And that's saved. So yeah, and you can also add pictures, your own picture on there. So you can also put your own. So yeah, so if you want to change it to this one, it shows up. So okay, so I'm going to send a text message to see how it looks on the watch. So bear with me here. Let's see here. I'm just going to send a testing text. All right, let's see here. See how it pops up. Oh, there you go. It shows just like that. So you get paid. So let me show you the back of the watch, because I didn't show you that at first. So you have, this is where the charger connects, and this is for the heart rate and helps track your fitness. Okay, so that's the back. Power on and off button, and I do not know what this bottom button does. No, let's see. Oh, it brings you back to the main screen. So from the main screen, if you slide up, you get your battery settings, airplane mode, your brightness. Then this bottom brings you right back to the home screen. So this has been the review of the 3 Plus Vibe Plus smartwatch, a very inexpensive alternative. Also very well made. Doesn't look like it's $49.99. It has all of the bells and whistles as a Samsung and an Apple smartwatch, and I would advise anyone who's thinking of getting a smartwatch and doesn't want to pay that much to go pick this up. So thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next merch review.